Good morning, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and on behalf of the Singapore Maritime Officers Union, we warmly welcome you to our Bursary and Scholarship Awards presentation 2018. We are pleased to have our distinguished guest of honor, Dr. Koon, to grace today's special occasion.
Without fail, SMOU has been organizing the Bursary Scholarship Award presentation since 1982. The union recognizes the importance of investing in a good education for members, children, and believe in acknowledging their hard work. Today, the Bursary Awards are made possible with NTUC UK Education Co-Funding Scheme. I would like to thank NTUC UK for enabling the union to do more, give more, and reach out to help more members' children. Working with NTUC, SMOU has put in effort to make this a meaningful day of learning, and that's why we have booths on robotics and drones so that everyone can experience the feel of future technology and digitization.
The SMOU Bursary and Scholarship Awards presentation has been a yearly event since 1982, running for over 35 years, and this is an effort that is very commendable, very ground up, and over this period of time, close to 3,400 awards have been given out to children of our members, amounting to a staggering 1.5 million or more. Now, the SMOU and Wavelink place a strong emphasis on education for our members' children. And they are strong believers that good education will open doors to better jobs, better wages, and of course, at the end of the day, to have a better life for all of us. Let me hope and wish all our young ones getting awards today a good time of learning in your educational journey, but more importantly, take the education journey not as something for knowledge acquisition, not just skills acquisition, but as a platform to discover your own strength, your own weaknesses, your own passion, and may you, in your future career, coincide your passion and your strength together to deliver a fruitful, meaning work life, but more importantly, to bring yourselves a better job, a better wage, and a better life for your family. Thank you very much for joining us today.